Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to hook up an antenna to your Samsung Smart TV. So this guide is basically from Samsung.com itself, so it's an official guide on how to connect your antenna. So first, make sure you have an antenna or a cable box ready. And then you may need to attach a coax cable to the antenna or box if it doesn't come with one. And then connect the other end of the coax cable to the ant-in port on the back of your TV, or one connect box if you have one. And then once all of the connections are secured, change the source on your TV to TV. And to do this, press the source button on your remote and then select the source labeled TV. Or you can press home, navigate to menu, and then select connected devices. And then from there, you can select the source TV. And then when you are on the TV source, use the directional pad or arrow buttons on your remote to select settings. Select broadcasting, then select auto program. And then here's a picture to guide you. Make sure this will show up. Then select start to begin auto programming. And then select either air, cable, or both. So select air if you are using an antenna only. Select cable if you are using a cable box. Select both if you are using an antenna and a cable box. And then that's basically it. Your TV will begin to scan for channels, and after it's done, select close.